Students, you are welcome in this video. Here we will study the subject biology for the first year class English medium. First year class English medium biology. The contents that you will read in this video are given as diversity in the living world. The first chapter of this unit is the living world. In this video, you will read the part of the first chapter, the living world, and I will teach you continue through the video second lesson, third lesson, fourth lesson, and after that the unit second, unit third, unit 4 and unit 5. 5 unit is a course of first year class English medium. That is complete syllabus. Various lesson have been read by you in previous classes. Here some of the increasement is occurring. You will see the increasement of matter, not anything new that you will see at first time. No hesitation. All the content you will read in class first year already have been studied in previous classes. So no doubt you will study well. See the first lesson of unit 1. The name of the lesson is the living world. Living world. Keep attention. Living organisms and non-living objects both are made up of same kinds of elements. They are governed by, influenced by same kind physical laws. Both living and non-living. Both are governed by same kind of physical laws, such as gravitation, magnetism, electrostatic force, and reactions. All those laws apply naturally on both things, that is living organisms or non-living objects. However, the living beings are unique because they have a well-developed coordinated level of organization. The living organisms have a well-developed coordinated level of organization that is not found in non-living objects. Hence, the living beings are called organisms. Someone asked you what is organisms? Then you can say the living beings are unique because they have a well-developed coordinated level of organization. Hence, the living beings are called organisms. Next, unique organization is the key feature of all living beings. Unique organization is the key feature of the all living beings. Aggregation, mutual interaction, stability, and alternation. All are very complex in the living beings. Life cannot be created by just putting together all the required components in a right proportion and with required energy. Life cannot be created by the putting together all the required components in right proportion with required energy. The life requires a unique, well coordinated, and stable organization. The mystery of being alive lies in the highly complicated way in which living matter is organized. An organism is not only an independent entity, in fact, it is a part of the natural system. You will understand that the life means protoplasm, living beings. Protoplasm cannot be produced, cannot be manipulated in lab. Although the scientists know what proportion of elements combining made protoplasm, but they cannot make a protoplasm in the lab. That is a natural and form in natural condition only by naturally. Now there are about 4 million different species of living organisms at the cellular and molecular levels. There is a unique master plan common to all. All living organisms have the cell as their basic structural and functional unit. All have essentially similar biochemical machinery and all share the same genetic codes. In living beings, the levels of organization are interrelated in a complex manner and are maintained by energy transformation. Okay, see next, what is meant by living? What is meant by living? See here carefully. An organization which can grow, respire, reproduce, react to environmental stimuli, so movement, metabolic reactions, is said to be living. The things that are not having these reactions, these activities, are called non-living objects. The natural things or organizations which can grow, respire, reproduce, react to environmental stimuli, so movement, metabolic reactions, is said to be living. All living organisms are not alike. Alike means same type, same physical body, same physical structure, same behavior, same uh, identification, but they are differ by each other. They exhibit a great diversity. In spite of this diversity, all living organisms show some common features and relationships. These common features are included as cellular nature, definite morphology, plant organization, required energy, irritability and response to stimuli, movement and locomotion, coordination, metabolism and growth, excretion, reproduction and continuity of life, adaptation, autoregulation, aging and death. These are the some common features, common characters that are found only in the living organisms, that are solely completely not found in non-living objects. So, appearance of these uh, characters, the living organisms are differ from non-living objects. What is the meaning of these points? We will discuss in short. Cellular nature. You know the cell is the basic structural and functional unit of the living beings. Already have been read in previous classes. Definite morphology. The living organisms have definite external appearances. Means their physical body is same, alike in a particular species. They can change this appearance within a very narrow line. Third one is plant organization. Living organisms exhibit a well-planned organization. They consist of cells. Cells are organized to form tissues. Tissues are organized to form organs. And organs form organ system. And organ system are organized to form entire individual. That is a organization, but this is a planned organization. However, unicellular organisms consist of a single cell only, like that amoeba, paramecium, euglena. But they maintain all the biological reactions within one cell. In multicellular animals or plants that have number of cells, million cells. But here also all the cells have a particular uh, complete life reactions in each cell of the body. Here, see again, their body organization is therefore acellular. Unicellular organisms consist of single cell only, so their body organization is known as acellular. Also, fourth one point is required energy. You have not heard about non-living objects that they need energy, but all living beings require energy for their activities. What is the activities? Their growth, wear and tear and other life activities. Without energy, no living organisms can survive. Energy is required, must. Without energy, any living being cannot survive for a little time. The next one point is irritability and response to stimuli. This is the special character of the living beings. All the living beings are sensitive to changes in their surroundings. You feel and you see, you do also. In summer season, you have not wrapped much clothes around your body, but in winter season, you wrapped much clothes in your body, around your body. Why? You will react the season, your surroundings. You can feel, you are sensitive to changes in their surroundings. But the non-living, that is no sensitive for surroundings. See here, the living exhibits response to the changes. Next one is movement and locomotion. Most identifying comments and character of the living beings. You can identify, that is things in front of you, living or non-living. You can judge, that is movable, locomotive or not. You identify that is living or non-living. Living organisms show remarkable degree of self-locomotion. The highest degree of locomotion is observed uh, in animals. However, plants also show some degree of movement, that is sunflower. Example is sunflower that always faces towards sun. Next one living character is coordination. You see and you feel, your all the organs that grow in the body, their growing is coordinated. Your left hand and your right hand growing in same, not differ. That is called coordination. All the body organs uh, response in growing and their reactions with a better coordination. Next one is metabolism and growth. All living organisms carry out biochemical reactions such as protein synthesis, production of energy by oxidation of food, synthesis of barrier metabolites, etc. The living beings eat the food that is compulsory for life. If they will eat, then they will do digest. After digestion, they absorb nutrients. Nutrients going on to the tissues, and after that they will reach to cell. Within the cell, in the presence of oxygen, they will oxidize, and after that nutrients will absorbed by the protoplasm. Automatically they metabolize. The excretory product will be excrete out of the body, and uh, profitable product, that is good nutrients, will mixed, assimilated in the protoplasm and be a part of the protoplasm. Okay, next one is excretion. That it will be discussed in this heading. Excretion. You know that after the metabolic process, various waste materials are producing in the body cells that is harmful to the body. Hmm. So it is must required to excrete the waste material, that is called excretion. For this process, various excretory organs are found in animals. That one is kidneys, livers, and skin. Next one common character, yeah, important character is the reproduction and continuity of life. All the living beings want to stability and continuity to their species, so they reproduces they reproduces to their process already. This is not found in non-living objects. uh, this quality, this character is found only in living beings, whereas they are creatures, many creatures are multicellular organisms. Next one is adaptation. What is the adaptation? The establishment and coordination are, in simple word, systematic, uh, what will say, adjustment. Okay, adjustment. Adaptation means uh, you understand that adjustment with the society, with the nature, uh, with the surroundings is known as adaptation. All living beings have the quality of adaptation. Next is autoregulation and aging and death. Aging and after that death. These are the living characters. Okay. Now remaining part we will teach you in next part of the video. We hope you will read well and understand well. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for the continue studying the subject. Okay, thank you.